to Cooking by the Book. My name is Katy, and today we're talking about The Rural Diaries by Hilarie Burton Morgan. It's a memoir she wrote that she calls a love letter to a town, to a farm, and to a man. It covers about 10 years of her life as she works with her husband to build the family and the home and life that they dream of. And sprinkled throughout, she gives us lots of stories that'll make you cry, make you laugh, and even some good recipes to try. We're making quick pickles today. Let's get started. For this recipe, we'll need 18 to 20 pickling cucumbers, which are 3 to 3.5 inches long, cut into round slices 1/4 inch thick, 3 3/4 cups water, 2.5 cups rice wine vinegar, 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon sugar, 3 slices of onion, 1/2 inch thick, mustard seeds, peppercorn, salt, and chili flakes, all to taste. We'll start by combining our sugar, our water, and our rice wine vinegar in a large bowl. Next, we'll add in our onion slices and our seasonings to taste. I'm going to try out about a teaspoon of salt and about a teaspoon of mustard seed. Two teaspoons of peppercorns. And just a pinch of the chili flakes. Give that a good mix. Okay, we're gonna pack our cucumber slices into our jars and then pour over our brine. You need clean hands and clean jars for this part. Okay, I'm going to use this funnel here and ladle the brine into the jar. Okay, once that's full, we're just going to place a lid on it. And then repeat with the rest of the brine and the cucumbers, and we'll store these in the fridge for at least 2 hours, but they're better the next day. Enjoy! We hope you enjoyed these quick pickles, and we'll see you next time for another episode of Cooking by the Book.